What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use Fundbox to solve cash flow issues. Are you struggling to keep your cash flow positive? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Fundbox to cover gaps, smooth out cash cycles, and of course, keep operations steady. Let's get into it. So the first step is to understand the issue. Cash flow problems usually arise when expenses come due before receivables are collected. Fundbox provides a revolving line of credit to cover those shortfalls. Next is connect your business accounts. Link your business accounts or accounting softwares like QuickBooks or Xero. Fundbox evaluates your cash flow health and approves a credit line, usually within minutes. Next is to draw funds when needed. Now, if you've got bills to pay but no incoming revenue yet, just tap into your Fundbox line. Funds arrive as soon as the next business day. Next is to use it strategically. Now, ideal for bridging gaps between invoicing and customer payment, and it's also useful for covering payrolls or urgent supplier payments. Next, repay automatically. Fundbox debits your account weekly and with repayment terms. No prepayment penalties. Pay off early if you want to, reduce your interest. With Fundbox, solving cash flow gaps becomes less stressful. Draw only what you need and keep your business running smoothly. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.